Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about safety goggles. Now, it's very important whenever you're doing any kind of woodworking or any kind of working with tools for that matter, or even chemicals. You want to make sure that you protect your eyes with a good set of safety goggles or safety glasses. So I've got a couple here for this is just a standard set of safety glasses, something you can pick up at any hardware store or home improvement center. These have impact resistant lenses. These are something that you want to use whenever you are drilling or sawing or cutting wood or anything where you have debris or chips that are flying out. Now, the second thing we have is we have goggles, and you see these are a little bit different, where they actually have the impact shield, but then they also have a wraparound here, so it actually protects your eyes. So these are good for if you're doing cutting some metal or drilling metal, where you may have a high-speed bit and a lot of shards of metal that might be flying out. This gives you a much better protection. Also, goggles are essential. Do you want to choose these if you're working with chemicals? So if you're using any kind of a stripper for stripping furniture or any harsh chemicals such as muriatic acid for cleaning concrete, you want to make sure that you're using safety goggles as opposed to safety glasses. And that's because safety goggles will make a seal and completely seal out, so if you actually get some splash of the chemicals with the glasses, they'll actually go over the glasses. It can still get in your eye, but with the goggles they won't. So again, very important whenever you're working, doing any kind of cutting or drilling or working with any kind of solvents or chemicals, you want to make sure that you choose the appropriate safety glasses or goggles for whatever application. I'm Tim Gibson, and that's some information about safety goggles.